Meaning of horticulturalist.
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 Horticulturalist. A horticulturalist is someone who practices or studies the cultivation, management, and science of plants, particularly in gardens, parks, nurseries, and other outdoor environments. They are experts in plant physiology, soil composition, and growth patterns, as well as disease and pest control. Horticulturalists work to create and maintain beautiful and functional landscapes, and they may also conduct research on new plant varieties, study the environmental impact of gardening practices, or design sustainable and efficient agricultural systems. In summary, horticulturalists bring their expertise to bear on a wide range of activities that promote the growth, health, and beauty of plants and their associated environments.